What's up, you guys? We're back again with the Jeep, and we're gonna be cleaning the intake filter because it's pretty dirty. I don't know if you guys can see that. So we're gonna dip it in hot water with Dawn dish soap, and then we're gonna get 2 of these spark plugs. We have to remove these coil packs. I think these are 10. There's 2 bolts on each coil pack. Pull them out and then get to the spark plugs. So let me get this filter out. I'm gonna loosen this one up and then slide it up a little bit so I can have enough clearance to pull off the filter. Alright, so we don't need this plastic piece up here, this one. So I'm gonna remove this and slide it off. Now that I got that plastic piece off and I have some hot water in the sink, I'm gonna put some Dawn dish soap. Put some more. And then just dip it in here, and you can see that dirty water, dirty ass sink. This is the restroom in the garage, so that's why no one cleans it. Pretty dirty, look, especially here. So I'm just gonna keep rotating it. Move it around a little bit. Hopefully that removes most of it. This side already looks clean, but this part right here, I think there's some oil on there or something, I don't know. So I'm gonna keep doing this. I'm actually gonna get rid of this dirty ass water, and then I'm gonna put some hot water in here. Now that we let this air intake filter dry, we're gonna reinstall it, but it does need to be replaced. It's not all that great anymore. Well, we'll do that some other time. For now, I'm gonna put this back on, and then we're gonna get to the spark plugs. I'm gonna take these off so I can flip them. I kind of like having everything on the same side. So now let me do this with both hands, and then I'll put you guys back on. Okay, so I flipped these over just so they could all be on the same side. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get to these bolts. There's 2 per coil pack. I got all the bolts out, so now we're gonna have to pop off this cover, which isn't even clipped in place. Most likely the clips are broken. But we have to get to these plugs, so as long as you're able to reach for those plugs, you should be good. We might not even have to disconnect them, cause oh yeah, there you go. That's one. Okay. 2. Third one. By the way, these engines have 2 spark plugs per cylinder, so you would need 16 spark plugs in total. This side seems pretty easy, straightforward, but on that side, it's kind of tight. Well, this section right here for these, that might be pretty easy too. The ones back there. This one, let me see what we do about those. These are the ones that I pulled out right now. This was all the way in the front. This one was here. And then this one was right here. So we got some NGKs as well. I'll get them out for you guys and then I'll throw them in. These are the spark plugs that we picked up. Well, we didn't pick up, we got them shipped from Rock Auto. This is the part number, and it's NGK laser platinum premium spark plugs. Let me pull one out real quick. This is side by side. Make sure they're the same. So let me just do this side. If I run into anything, I'll put you guys back on. I already put all 8 plugs on this side. Yeah, so I just got done putting all these back in. I just gotta put the bolts in here, but one of these bolts is missing. So it's probably gonna make it the easiest one to get to later on, which might be this one down here. But yeah, they're all in, and these two were the toughest ones to get to because of the space right here. So then put the bolts back in, the cover, and then I'll turn it on. So that's it, turned on. Seems to be running smooth, no rough idle or anything. So that was 16 spark plugs on a Hemi 6.1. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at @Yonke_OXC Film. I'll leave that in the description down below. And we'll catch you in the next one.